Voya is an established financial company that provides retirement investments and saving solutions. Its app is intended as a tool for managing accounts, tracking investment performance, and accessing financial planning services. But the real question is this app a scam or a legit investment tool? Now, the answer leans strongly towards legit, though there are caveats. First, legitimacy. Voya is a well-known firm in the financial sector, regulated and operating in clear view of industry standards. Their app is a front end of actual investment accounts and not a get rich quick scheme. It allows users to view balances, monitor performance, make contributions, allocate assets, and access tools for planning goals. In terms of features, the app offers real time performance tracking, portfolio breakdowns, charts, alerts, and tools that tie into Voya's broader service, so such as financial advice or retirement planning. It provides transparency about holdings, fees, and projections. The app is also built with security measures, encrypted data, secure logins, and two-factor authentication. That said, the app is only useful as your approach to investing. It won't magically generate returns. What you gain depends on your portfolio choice, risk tolerance, time horizon, and consistent of contributions. Also, some advanced tools, advanced advice features may be available only to premium or advisory clients, not every user. Now, another limitation is the app is bound by what Voya offers. If your investments are constrained to certain funds, options, or platforms, you don't get the full freedom of open markets offered by independent brokers. Pricing, fund managers, and internal fees still matter. You should always review those carefully. Now, final verdict. Voya's app is a real legitimate tool for managing your investments. It's not a scheme or scam. If you already have Voya accounts or are considering them, this app is a solid companion. Just be smart, understand the fees, choose sound investments, and don't expect it to be the heavy lifting for you.